Cats Coloring. Mandala Coloring and Activity Kits for Kids. Cats Coloring. Fun-filled mandalas and Zentangle Cats Coloring Book, as well as different activity pages like Hangman, Tic-Tac-Toe, Sudoku, Word, Scramble that you can brand as your own and sell to make money. Get 8 new modules with over 105 pages of coloring and activity kit you can use to publish your own children's activity book. This is a 3-day only exclusive offer. The price increases every few sales. Get 10 Hangman Activity Pages. Get 10 Tic-Tac-Toe Activity Pages. Get 25 Mandalas and Zentangle Cat Cooloring Pages. Get 10 dots and boxes puzzle. Get 15 Sudoku 9x9 sets of puzzle. Get 15 Sudoku 6x6 of puzzle game. Get 2 pages of word Sramble. Get 1 page of word search. Get Editable Word docx files. Letter size 8.5 x 11 inch. Commercial license included. Pay once and it's yours. Click the button below to get your copy of Mandalas and Zentangle Cat Coloring and Kids Activity Kit plus bonuses today and start earning your piece of the children's book publishing cash pie. Only one more at this price. Cats Coloring FAQ. Mandalas and Zentangle Cats Coloring and Kids Activity Kit is a 105 done-for-you children's activity pages with commercial license. The commercial license allows you to use these to create your own children's activity book, sell them and keep 100% of the profits for yourself. These studio-quality children's activity pages can also be used for CRATING1. What rights does the license give me? Yes, use Mandalas and Zentangle Cat Coloring and Kids Activity Kit for personal use. Yes, use Mandalas and Zentangle Cat Coloring and Kids Activity Kit for commercial use, as in to create end products to sell in various marketplaces in the form of physical and digital copies. Yes, you may use these in the children's activity books that you sell commercially. Yes, you can modify these and use them in your commercial projects in addition to other elements to make them different from the original artwork. Yes, you can add your creativity to these and make them your own to use in your low-content books. No, you may not use the entire product or any part of it in any PL or resale rights products you create to sell. You cannot give a part of the whole product away for free. No, you may not use this content in any free or paid membership site as membership content. No, you may not use our brand name in any of the end products you create that may be construed as an endorsement. No other. 2. How should I use Mandalas and Zentangle Cats Coloring and Kids Activity Kit? Our primary purpose of creating Mandalas and Zentangle Cats Coloring and Kids Activity Kit is to let you use these children's activity pages to make low-content book designs such as children's activity book, journal, and calendar. You can use these in your books, sell them and keep 100% of the profits for yourself. Moreover, these can also be used for creating calendars, journals, books, print-on-demand stationery, and much more. 3. Where can I sell my children's activity books? You can sell your coloring book on Amazon, Etsy, or other marketplaces. 4. Will this product still available if I buy it tomorrow? We cannot guarantee that. We reserve the right to take down the sales page without prior notification. 5. Is there a monthly recurring payment to use this product? No. There are no monthly fees. Pay once and it's yours. 6. Can I get a refund after purchase? No. We do not provide a refund for this product. 7. What are the file format? You will get the docx, PDF, JPG files. 8. What is the document size? Letter size 8.5 x 11 inch. Cats Coloring, Mandala Coloring and Activity Kits for Kids.